Okay, cool. That works perfectly fine. All right, all right, all right, all right. Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? Just gonna get a couple things ready, um, and we'll get this thing kicked off. Get some of you guys in here, and get everything going. For some reason, I was having trouble with my Logitech. I have no idea, but it is what it is. Um, hey, what's up, Marcine? How you doing, brother? How's everything going? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. We're gonna get we're gonna get into some good stuff tonight. Go over a few things that I think are important, and yeah, maybe answer some questions, things of that nature. Go over a little bit of news at the same time. There's some pretty cool things going on in the space. Yeah, we'll talk about them. Why not, right? I need to get some music going or something. That'd be cool. But I always wanted to put some music in, but knowing my luck, I mean, they'll probably end up taking it down anyway. Whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see. What's this? Settings. Analytics. Okay. All right. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Oh, good. Thanks. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good, bro. Doing pretty good. Yeah, I wish, man. Not yet. No player news quite yet. But hey, you know what? It's we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna tweet that we're live too, and yeah, get this thing, get some more people in here. Why not, right? Why not? Oopsies. So, Pat's still drinking. Yeah, he might be. I don't know. I've heard some rumors, man. I've heard some rumors. They're pretty good rumors, but nothing has been confirmed yet. So I can't quite really speak on anything solid yet. So I'd rather not say too much. But hey, we'll see what happens. I look for something to break here real soon, news wise. Um, so it'll be cool. It's all good. No worries. But yeah, as soon as I'm ready, guys, and get everything tweeted out and everything, I'll take down my logo and we'll get everything going. What about the Safe Haven 2021 price prediction? Hey, man, listen. I'm still standing behind it. I'm not. I'm not even because I listen. It's totally possible. It's totally possible. But we just have to take it as we go. Whenever we look at these charts and stuff like that. So, I expect we're gonna see some pretty wild things, things that we didn't really forecast to see coming, but it'll all line up chart wise for sure. Technically, it'll all come together for sure. I definitely believe that. So, Ricky Bobby, what's good, boss man? Ready for Moon? Yeah, yeah, I'm ready for it. If it's gonna come right now or not is a different story. But we're definitely in a bull market, guys. We're definitely in a bull market. Super happy. We've all been waiting for this for quite some time, for sure. So no complaints over here. Actually, honestly, it's kind of weird because I think I'm just as excited for the bear market, for the next bear market, even though we haven't got through the bull market yet. But yeah, it's kind of my outlook with it. What's a decent size bag of XLM to hold? As much as you can afford to lose. As much as you can afford to lose. Um, that's all I can really say. Um, whatever you feel comfortable with. That's about probably the best advice I could give anybody. You know. Also, another thing too, guys. This everything's depending on BTC right now, and I'm thinking. I think you guys see it. I think you see it. Whoopsies. Uh oh. There we go. But yeah, I'm actually gonna pull up a couple things real quick. Trying to get some more people in here as well. So just hang tight with me, guys. Just a couple minutes, and we'll get things going here. Just bear with me. This OBS kind of took me by surprise. It actually wanted to work, so that was definitely a different thing. Normally I use Logitech, Logic Capture, because it works pretty well. But yeah, and also that cool picture you guys are looking at right now, Keith actually made that for me. So shout out to Keith for that. Definitely cool. Like the thumbnail for sure. But all right, guys, how many people we got up in here? Do. Oh, okay, cool. Here we go. Ricky Bobby. All right. IO text to $1. Hey man, it's very possible. Actually, it's kind of funny. So Keith was actually charting that, and just based on the data right now, $1 for sure. That's what it's looking like. Just based on data right now. So, that's how that works. So, just based on all that. All right, guys, let's kick this thing off. Let me get rid of this guy. If I don't screw it up. Let's see if I do or not. Hey, there we are. Alright, cool. Alright, guys. Can you guys hear me good and everything? I'm assuming so, since you guys were talking. Let's see. More than one. Yeah, I mean, hey, listen. This stuff, this is what's cool about these tokens, guys. There's no resistance, but on the other hand, there's no support. So, hey, let's find out what happens. But on the upside to that, we also have, when they correct harder. So we're able to buy back into our favorite assets and, either double our bags, triple our bags, or double our bags and put some money in our pocket, It's definitely a good way to think of it as well. So definitely keep that in mind. You know what? We're just going to start off with a little bit of BTC today, because obviously that's what's influencing the market right now, right? Could we all agree on that? that BTC is what is really making this market fluctuate right now. Why? There we go. Don't understand why I couldn't see it. All right, and as we see here, all right. So right here, guys. Actually, well, we'll scale it back a little bit. There we go. So you see, guys, right here, we're riding on the 8. Just riding along the 8. Nothing special. It's not in the sell zone yet, so that's a plus. If you look historically for Bitcoin, it loves to ride the 8 and doesn't really go below the 8 very often. You see back here, which was in September, down here, March of 20. Yeah, December of 19. November of 19. You know, so we're actually going below the 8 a lot more than we were, you know, in the previous last couple of years. So obviously that's a great sign. Boom, we dipped here into the wait a minute zone below the 8, and we even wicked down below the 21. Moving averages are still kind of pointing up. Well, not kind of, they are. The 8's kind of looking like it wants to curl a little bit, but like I said it in my last 2 videos, I don't think BTC's done. I really don't. I just don't see it. We are looking ugly on our MACD, but you know, that could change real soon. This is a daily chart, by the way. Our money line, it's kind of looking like it wants to curl down too, but I really don't think BTC's done. RSI still above 50, so you know, hey, we're just riding the 8. We're just along for the ride, so let's see how this plays out. See if I can get there we go. Kind of I'm waiting to tell my boss I will retire. Yeah, hey man, that's awesome. I hope you'll be able to retire very soon. Absolutely. Marcin, one more to go. Ryu, does it really make sense to sell at the height of the bull market if some of these companies will be used in Fortune 500 companies? I would think if it's used by companies, it may not go down. Well, I will say this, man. What goes up must come down. That's just the way it works. Even in the stock market, guys. Okay, look at all these big companies. They have corrections. They still have corrections. So, hey, what goes up must come down. And if we're paying attention to the technicals, they'll let us know, and they'll tell us, you know, where they're headed or where they could be headed. So it's up to us to kind of stay on top of those kind of things and be responsible when it comes to that. I mean, look right here. I'll move the chat over here a little bit. If you look back right here, you had a buy signal, you know, on Bitcoin at about roughly like 10.5 area, you know, which that's an historical mark too. So see if we can get a little more precise, I guess. But yeah, right around like 10.5, 10.6, right in that general area. Had a buy signal. And guess what? We haven't had a sell signal yet. No sell signal, which a clear sell signal This thing curls down, goes through the 21. Boom. Dump it. Get rid of it. Done with it. Or if the price action is in this zone between the 8 and the 21, you wait and find out what happens. It breaks below that 21, get rid of it, sell it. That's how it works. So shit, the chat went away again. All right, but yeah. So, hey, I'm I don't think we're going nowhere. I don't think we're going nowhere. Bitcoin is definitely not done, in my opinion. Just my opinion. Am I still bullish on XRP? Do I? Let's reword this, Marcin. Do I think XRP is still going to have a bull run? Absolutely. Absolutely. Do I think that it's going to go to the astronomical numbers that people say, like 10,000 and stuff like that? No, not this run. Not this run. Could it happen eventually? Sure, why not? But not this run. Not at all. There's a lot of targets that I see. A lot of constant people saying $16.32. You know what? I can get behind that. I can agree with that. So am I still bullish on XRP? Sure. It's definitely it's definitely gonna happen. Was wondering what happened. Viking a stellar man. Hey, listen. When you burn half the supply, it's kind of just common sense. With supply and demand, things like that. It's just kind of common sense. So I definitely have to go with that. So let's see that camera, bro. What camera? What camera? What are we talking about? My video camera? Hi Viking, thanks for your words of wisdom. Thanks for showing up, Rodney. Much appreciated. Glad. Just here to share some knowledge and some news and my opinion. Not saying take my opinion, just here to share my opinion. But hey, it's made me some money so far, so that's okay. Oh, the IoTex camera. Yeah, it's actually hooked up. I got it hooked up somewhere else, so couldn't. I actually did a video where I did show it, but I think I need to do another one. They were supposed to send me one for the giveaway. I think there was some kind of mix-up, so I'm actually waiting to hear something back. And then when I get that thing in the mail, I want to give it away. Because I want somebody to have one. I want somebody else to have one. Because I think they're cool. They're really awesome. And their plans are really cheap, like for the year. Super cheap. So they're pretty awesome. Larry and the team's definitely killing it over at IoTex. They're doing a great job. And actually, they're going to be back on the podcast here real soon, so that's cool. And also, we got another YouTuber that will be coming on the podcast here in the very near future. I'm sure you guys all know him. He's very well known in the community, so pretty excited about it. Good friend of mine. So, definitely. It didn't stream. It posted 45 minutes. Yeah, so I was on OBS, and for whatever reason, it just decided to pop up that random thumbnail. Don't even know where it came from, but whatever. It just randomly popped up. Don't know how. Whatever. It might have been last time I tried to use like OBS or something like that. Maybe I kind of remembered it or something like that. But glad to have you guys all here. Let's look at some other assets. You guys give me some assets you want to look at, and we'll check them out and see what they look like on the charts. But so how's everybody doing this Friday night? Obviously, you guys are doing the same thing that I am. But while you guys think about what assets you want me to look up, I'm actually going to go over a little bit of Safe Haven news. I know I cover Safe Haven a lot, but it's very, very, very much much needed, and it definitely deserves it, very much so. So, if you guys haven't known, Safe Haven is doing a lot of things for their third anniversary. Very, very exciting. They're doing a staking and a buyback program. This buyback program, they're buying back 45 million Safe Haven. And the reason why they're buying back 45 million Safe Haven is so they can put it into a pool to where they will take from that pool to reward the stakers from that 45 million pool. So, pretty awesome. If you guys look at the order books, it's kind of hard to get 45 million right now. Just saying. Yeah, Legino tweeted 7 hours ago. I look forward to speak to co-founder of Unbound Finance and founder of Unbound Finance. We will discuss Safe Haven, DeFi, Unbound, and many more. Join us. And that's going to be December 6th, 2020, 4 p.m. Central European Time. So make sure you guys tune into that. That is going to be pretty nifty. Altcoin Buzz is hosting it, I believe, as well. Altcoin Buzz is hosting that. So, also, if you guys haven't known, here's the little Safe Haven 3rd anniversary Christmas card. I love the community, man. The community is awesome. Honestly, the community reminds me a lot of the XRP community, but a little bit cooler. Just saying. No offense to anybody out there. But this is a big piece of news here. Safe Haven actually is going to launch a trading competition starting tomorrow on KuCoin. And 10,333,333 Safe Haven tokens will be given away. That is huge. That is very huge. Safe Haven only has a max supply of 8.5 billion, which almost 4 billion of that supply right now is currently locked in nodes. So, yeah. The circulating supply is only like 4 billion right now. And so 80% of the circulating supply right now is already locked up on nodes. That's pretty awesome. And staking is just going to bring more to that, in my opinion. We'll see what happens, but I only see the numbers going up. And also, if you guys put together a Safe Haven jingle, you could receive 25,000 Safe Haven for the rights to your jingle song. Participants are not limited to the genre or style of jingle being created. Now, does have to be clean, guys. You have to make sure you add some of Safe Haven's products in there. Be clever with your words, and know how Safe Haven and all their other products work. Be creative. Be creative. Also, proof of read contest. Definitely check that out. Legino's logo event, and there's the AMA on Telegram actually already happened today. It was pretty cool. There's a lot of great information, so if you guys are not a part of that, be sure to go join the Safe Haven Telegram. I love it there. Everybody will welcome you in there. You see Nebula, tell them Vikings sent you. Nebula's an awesome guy. Thomas and Legino were in there as well. They're very busy guys, so they'll pop in when they can. But also, Safe Haven talks DeFi and charity with Lunar Crush, DigiByte Foundation, Matic Network, and Network Arcane. This is actually going to happen very soon. I want to say it's the 6th. I want to say that's the 6th. So that's going to be really cool. But yeah, that's all I'm really going to cover on that. Really, I just wanted to let you guys know about all the giveaways because that's a lot of Safe Haven. That's a lot of free money, guys. That's a lot of free money on the table. So let's go back to the comments and see what you guys are saying. XLM, UOS. I really like UOS. I'm actually a UOS fan myself, so pretty awesome. And okay, cool. Cool. We will definitely check this out. Looks like regulatory clarity in 6 to 8 weeks is just in time for the cashless Super Bowl. Yeah. Hey man, I seen something about that. How they're 6 to 8 weeks. They're gonna have clear regulatory clarity on some of these crypto assets. That's pretty cool. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's jump right into the charts here, guys. First one was XLM. Let's check it out. So yesterday, guys, I was actually on another YouTuber stream. Not gonna mention the name, but man, the guy was kind of ridiculous. He was kind of ridiculous. I was trying to spread, safe haven awareness, stuff like that, Oh, okay. And I don't know, man. He just wasn't. He had a nice setup. Don't get me wrong. He had a nice setup, and he knew what he was talking about, stuff like that. But gave the guy $5, told him to look up safe haven. Figured he would look at the chart and be like, "Oh, okay, cool. Hey, I never seen this before. Whatever." Guy says, "Well, yeah, never heard of that shit coin before. But it's a $10 minimum for those shit coins for me to even look at them." And I said, "Wow, what a dick." So I left the stream. So just thought that was kind of funny. So people are a trip, man. People get very, very, very arrogant pretty quick. It's kind of funny how that works out. All right, guys. So XLM chart does not look so good. It's in the wait a minute zone. This is a 1-day chart. Remember, in this zone between 8 and 21, hang out. Don't quite sell it yet, but it's not looking so good. Crosses through this 21, this purple line right here, dump it. We got a downtrend on the MACD. Money line looks like crap, and the RSI is still above 50, so hey, we could get a bounce. Also, I will show you this. When you can also do patterns in the RSI as well. Which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Move that over just a little bit. There we go. That's not a descending triangle, so it's pretty much in the channel, but I'm gonna leave this here. We'll kind of come back to it maybe later on or in the day and see what happens. See if it broke out. This breaks out, obviously. It's looking. That's an idea. That's about all I say. But obviously, right down here you see you got a buy signal at about 7.5, 7.9 cents, right around there. Still haven't had a sell signal yet though. And also something with the Bollinger Bands. We have a lot. We have some room to go if it decides it wants to go. For sure, we definitely have some room. Price does like to stay up inside of the Bollinger Bands. Just to the top of the Bollinger Band will be 48%. Not that it's going to do that, so don't. I'm just kind of, throwing out some stuff to you guys. But yeah, honestly, XLM, just chill. If it crosses through this 21-day moving average, dump it. But more than likely, from the looks of it, it looks like we could totally come down and touch that 14.9, 14.8-ish cent mark. We'll see what happens. But let's go back to the chat. Price prediction for Shaw Q1. I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Anything's possible. Let's put it that way. I'll definitely keep you up to date, though. Absolutely. Excellent. UOS. I wonder if UOS is even on. Because honestly, I haven't really looked at it too much. But this is actually an asset that I do like. The partnerships and what they're doing is pretty damn awesome. I'm not going to lie. And for all you guys that don't know what UOS is, it's a gaming token. I had a buy signal on it about 8.9 cents. Let's pull a fib on this guy. It has been up to as much as 30 cents. But yeah, I found this guy at like 4 cents. But I never pulled the trigger on it because I was so busy with other stuff, and honestly just didn't have enough capital to to buy this one. But wish I would have. If I'm not mistaken, the max supply is like 1 billion, I believe, possibly somewhere around there. I don't know. It's somewhere around there. All right, so with this guy, UOS. Once again, we're above the 8, so hey, that's great. Can't complain there. I can also see that possibly it may, just maybe, not saying for sure, guys. So don't get all crazy on me. But looks to me that we are definitely forming a nice triangle here. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days. This thing's above the 0.5 fib level, which is good. It's a good thing. But to be super bullish on it, and the MACD money line says go, RSI is above 50. Hey, hang out. But these are actually some targets I'll give you. To keep in mind if you're looking for exit points or whatever. But definitely watch here on the 22 cent mark. These definitely like to get taken out. So. But these guys right here, the 1618 and the 1414, these targets right here are hit 90 to 95% of the time. Now, with that being said, Bitcoin has a total big effect on how this chart's going to move. So please keep that in mind. Everything looks really good with this one right now, but it could totally get ugly real fast. So in my opinion, keep your stops in place, and just be aware and keep watching. But yeah, I definitely like UOS, and I do like the project personally. Now, just to give you an idea of the percentage gains that you could possibly see, if this setup played out all the way to what the 1618, you'd be looking at 330% ish, right around there. So even if you did half of that and you got to the 786, you're still looking at 88%. To the 1272, you're looking at 166%. Those are great gains, guys. Great gains. So, definitely, wrong window. But definitely like UOS for sure. Let's see, 100K. Marcin, Chi-Town, House OC, and Player. I'll definitely chart those next. Happy Days, Shaw. Absolutely, yeah. Happy Days is correct. Yep, 1 billion. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I thought they had a max supply of 1 billion. There was another one too that I found a long time ago when I found EOS as well. But I can't remember. But the supply was only 50 million, and it was actually a good project. But I forget what it's called now. I wish I remembered, because I bet that thing's probably doing pretty damn good. It was pretty cheap too. It was only like a few cents when I found it. So, I keep doing it. I keep doing it. All right. Chat needs to not go away. All right, cool guys. I'm gonna have to go over to CoinTrader, and we will get. You know what? It never works over here, so I'm just gonna put it on the thing. I have to go over to CoinTrader and chart these guys because they're not on TradingView, which, hey, no big deal. Because I definitely chart these too. I mean, anything's possible, my man. Anything is possible. And guess what? This thing did not pull up. There we go. We'll start with player. Alright, CoinMarketCap. I like the... see? Yeah, I was over here looking at some stuff a while back. Okay. Honestly, guys, player is definitely a big fat sell. It's under the 8 and 21, so it could totally go lower. Let's zoom out. Okay. Yeah, it's in a tough zone right now. Tough zone. Yeah. Yep. Tough zone at the moment. But you know, it'll eventually come back. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. So yeah. So yep, if you have player, it's a sell. If you have an astronomical amount, it's not worth it to sell it. So just be patient. I'm just being honest. OceanEX, another token I actually hold that I really do like. Currently, let's double check here. Whoops. Yeah, we're good, man. We're good on OceanEX. It's riding the 8. We were in the wait a minute zone for a little bit. Popped up on the daily close to be a buy. So it's in the buy zone right now. Just to get to that 236, we're looking at $178 per 100,000 tokens. And by the way, guys, these are midterm holds. They are not, you know, these setups that I'm doing are not going to play out overnight. They're just not. Not going to happen. So, just a few targets, $178 per 100K, 236, and $282 per 100K. Whoops, what'd I do? I do have targets all the way up to 7/10 of a penny. So will it go past that? And you know, yes, obviously, more than likely, yes. I mean, I'm not gonna say for sure, but yeah, definitely. Definitely, I actually hold a nice amount of OceanEX. It's not worth selling right now. UOS, a promising coin. Yeah, I really like them, man. I really do. That take care of you, Chi-Town? Josiah. Looks like we're okay, yeah. Just stick to the best. XRP, XLM, XDC, and VET. I mean, hey, everybody has their flavors, man. You pick your flavor. Whatever you want to do. Me personally, two of those. Yeah, I love two of those. Two of those are awesome. 1 billion. Can IoTex 100x? Hey, it's possible. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see what happens. IOTA can, and thanks Viking. Yeah, no problem, brother. Okay, yeah, we'll look up IOTA. Sure, why not? I actually haven't looked up IOTA in a long time. Ever since IoTex came into the game on the scene, I don't know, man. I just really, I don't know. I just really love what IoTex is doing. Does that mean that IOTA is not going to go up? No, not at all. IOTA is in the wait a minute zone. Currently. Threatening to sell. If you ask me, it wicked down to the 21, so just be careful. Definitely be careful of that. And just like the Bollinger Bands, guys, I wanted to show you this too. You know, the price action comes out of the bands, boom, gets sucked right back in. Gets out of the Bollinger Bands, boom, comes back in. Gets out, boom, come back in. Look at that correction. I don't know. MACD on the downtrend, money line looks like crap, and the RSI is just barely above 50. So be careful. That's what I will say. You know what? I gotta do better than that. I gotta pull you guys a fib. And May, February. No, we don't want February. August. Yeah, sure, why not? We'll pull it from August. We'll pull the fib from August. Give you some key targets to look for, you know, for possible resistance and supports. You're right at the 5. 0.5 fib. That's good. Whoops. Why is this thing giving me a hard time? It's probably because I'm on live. That's probably why. This mouse is very, very sensitive, actually. There we go. Perfect. So, right now it's in a crucial zone. Alright, so just a few targets. You know, you got, you're at 32, almost 32 and a half cents right now. 618 is 34. The 786 is 39. And always be cautious of that 786. Okay. But yeah, you guys see, got a buy signal on IOTA back here at 25 cents. Still doesn't say sell. Like I said, it is in the wait a minute zone, but doesn't really look the healthiest. But that's okay. Not everything looks really great right now in the market. BTC is really beating some things down. But we got, you can either go by the wicks or you can go by the candle closes. It really just depends what you want to do. But we got that. See what happens over the next few days. I mean, that's kind of where a lot of things are right now. Just kind of wait and see what happens over the next few days. What was the other one? Kin? I do not think that I actually, I don't think I ever looked that up, but we'll check it out. See if it's on TradingView. Ah, sure is. Sweet. It's on a bunch of exchanges that really... Is it King Dag? Is that what it is? Chi-Town? No. You know what? We'll just do this. Ken USD. It's riding the 8. Just like a lot of other things. It's riding that 8. So, yeah. Riding the 8. So, yeah, it looks fine. Money lines a go. RSI is above 50. MACD looks like it could be topped out. But, hey, you know, never know. I've seen these things go from here and go, keep going. But we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, for now it looks good. Just keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on it. Whoopsies. What's this? Is this August? Sure. Ooh. October? Also, I mean, in all reality, just an idea. Not saying this is what's going on. But this could be... Man, that was really shitty. Let me redo that again. Just an idea, though. Not, like I said, not saying that this is what is exactly going on right now, but could be trying to do something like... damn you. Could be trying to do something like that, too. I mean, it's very possible. I've seen a lot of cups in the charts that I've been looking at, too. So, it's very possible. We'll have to see what happens. We will have to see. Ken used to run on Stellar, now runs on Soluna. I'm hoping a breakout since the court case is finally over. Cool. All right, Marcin, no problem, brother. Thanks for stopping by, man. Glad you came by. Let's look at IoTex. Let's see how IoTex is doing. This is actually one that I actually hold as well. I'm actually staking IoTex currently. Well, I'm staking half of my IoTex. I was staking all of it, but I'm only staking some of it. Ooh, uh-oh. IoTex is a sell. Ooh, yeah, we took a real hit there, huh? Yeah, we did. Yeah, whatever, no biggie. IoTex. It's looks like it's trying to test that 236. We'll see what happens. You know, if it breaks any lower than this 236, then we could very, very well be looking. Which I hope not, but hey, you know what? Just a better opportunity. $555 is the zero line, so that's also in the cards. RSI is below 50. Money line is turning down, and the MACD looks ugly. So, yeah, that's the outlook for IoTex. You guys have any other coins that you want to look at? You know what? Well, we got to look up Safe Haven, right? I mean, we got to do that. I mean, come on. There we go. Yeah. All right. Yep, I kind of figured. It was too far away from the 8 yesterday. I kind of figured it was going to come back a little bit. But that's okay. That's okay. Building a little bit of support here, which is nice because, you know, Safe Haven is a newer token, doesn't have a whole lot of support. So, yeah, who knows? We could, I mean, it's very possible that we could totally come back and touch this 236. But right now, we're above the 8, so it's still a buy. Still buy. Because the last buy signal that we had was roughly right around $219-ish, $220 per 100K. Hey, RSI is above 50. Money line says go. MACD is looks to be topped out, you know, but hey, we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. Hey, what's up, Ripple Rich? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. H-bar and AGI. Gotcha. I love me some AGI. Let's do it. As you see, I already have a fit pulled for AGI. Okay, AGI is definitely a sell. Definitely a sell. But it's a good price. But yep. Looks like I would actually, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I would love to see it come back here to 0 at 4.4 cents. I'd love to see that happen. Love to see that happen. So yeah, if you guys have or AGI, did I say IOTEX? Damn, I'm messing it all up. Whatever. Anyways, yeah. So if you have AGI, it is currently a sell. You do what you want. MACD's trending down. Money line looks like crap, and RSI is below 50. Yep. Oh, not much, brother. You know, just doing my thing, I guess. You know, just doing my thing. Ripple Rich, you're in West Palm, right? Oh, H bar. H bar was the next one. Let's get to it. Okay. This asset I actually have not really looked into too much. I know what it is. That's probably, yep, August. That's what I figured. But actually I looked into this asset in 2018. Funny enough, they were going to start selling tokens on their website for their hash graph on my birthday, and they were selling them for $1 per token. Yeah, definitely glad I did not buy those. Let me tell you. So, Hedera hash graph H bar is in the wait a minute zone. The reason why I say that is because we did not get a candle close in above the 8. So, yeah, it's in the wait a minute zone. Right now, currently it's above the 8, but that could change really fast. But you know, hey, money line looks good. So I mean, it's not in horrible shape. RSI is above 50, and the MACD looks to be may want to turn up, man. Looks like these indicators, these moving averages, kind of want to start moving up, and if they do, sweet, because this guy right here, 50-day moving average, is eventually going to come up and cross this 200. Then you'll see some price action up. So that's always a good thing. Always a good thing. Oh, you're in Tampa. Have you ever been in West Palm? I don't know why I was thinking you were in West Palm. Rich, we on that technical analysis. Viking says, ask any coin. Yeah, for sure, man. You wanna look at something? Let me know. Let's see. I know you know, since we have some XRP fans out there, we'll do an XRP analysis here. Why not? Why not? Currently, we're in the wait a minute zone with XRP. Currently in the wait a minute zone. So, yeah, that's where we're at for that. Indicators are pointing up. Like I said, that 8 though is curling down. This 8 crosses through the 21. That's a bad deal. We do have a downtrend coming on for the MACD. Money line is trending down, and so is the RSI. But the RSI is still above 50, so let's see what happens. But I do believe that there still is a possible chance. Let's see what happens. Don't shoot the messenger, but right here at 56.2, 51 cents, and 45, and then possibly, if all those fail, we'd be looking at right around 36 cents, 36.5 cents. But that's just my opinion. Don't take this as financial advice. You move in the market how you want to. HBAR, I think, is the newest tech next to AI. HBAR has no blockchain, supposedly. Yeah, it's hashgraph technology. Yeah, that's going to be the next thing after blockchain. If I'm not mistaken, that's basically like blockchain 2.0, but it's not blockchain. Vechain. All right, cool. Let's look at Vechain. I love me some Vechain. Love me some Vechain. Guys, this is another token too that has no resistance, but it also has no support. So these things could fly, but they're going to correct pretty hard as well. So keep that in mind. Currently, we're riding that 8 hard. We're riding it hard, man. We're at the 618. I'd really like to see things turn around for Vechain, but hey, it'll happen. Just got to be patient. For now, though, looks like we could be getting across towards down on the MACD. Money line's still a go, and the RSI is above 50, so it's hanging in there. It's hanging on. So we're hanging in there. Any other tokens you guys want to take a look at? Actually, you know what, guys? I'm probably going to get off here. I got some other things to take care of, but definitely look forward to doing more streams like this. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. And make sure you enter all them safe haven contests. There's a lot of... Also, guys, there's another contest on there, too, that I forgot to cover. Safe Haven's giving away 1 million Safe Haven, other than that other 10 million. So, go check them out, man. They're giving away a lot of free money. So, go check them out. Join the Telegram. Make a safe key ID as well. That's very important as well. So, all right, guys. Oh yeah, no problem, Rodney. No problem, brother. I hope you guys have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the next video.